Hey guys, Brittany here with Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video into WordPress, and we're going to be doing that from our phone. So we need the YouTube app and the WordPress app. So I'm going to start by opening my YouTube app. And because I want to embed my own video, I'm going to go up to the top right hand corner and tap my icon and then go to your channel. And then I'll choose the video I want to share and tap these three little dots next to it and choose share. And now I just need to scroll down until I see my WordPress app. And there we have it. That will embed the video on a page just of its own, so like one single blog post with your video. Thanks for watching today. If you liked this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and check us out next Tuesday for another great tip.